My name is Dr. Patel here at the Tooth Experience. We're just going to recap about Nightguard. So Nightguards are there to protect our teeth. They're used in cases where we notice clenching, grinding. The dentists usually see wear patterns in their teeth. Patients do come in and complain of headaches and things like that. That could be signs that we are clenching and grinding. Nightguards are easy and simple to be made. You just come into the dentist's office. We take impressions or scan your teeth, whatever the dentist has available, and we go from there. We send it to a lab, they custom fit a Nightguard, and you come in and we deliver that. But it's as easy as that.